Everyone, quick update. So we're gonna start with DXY. So currently we're on H4. As you can see, price is rejecting the supply area on H4, cover the fair value gap, but break above this one. We have equal highs there, so this can be just a liquidity take, and then DXY can continue to the downside despite that we have order block there and the fair value gap. But technically it's not going to bust through the the supply area, demand or fair value gap. It's definitely going to stop, reject, blah blah blah, right? It's H4. So technically speaking, this is definitely the first quote unquote target for DXY. If this is going to hold as a rejection and liquidity take from of this equal highs, then fine, we're gonna push down, we're gonna eliminate the lows, blah blah blah, right? Which means that gold is going to fly, which I suspected given the fact that it respected daily fair value gap to the T. Now H1, nothing much. Again, we have this little boy here, so I'm waiting for this to happen. Let me see how price is going to perform. Like on the daily basis, we are starting to pull into the bearish market now. The EMA is above as well, which is fine. So in this case, liquidity out, pushing down, which means gold is going to fly, which means that we can start looking for buys, right? But if gold is flying, depends how big of a flight it is, then something usually isn't good in the world, right? So gold on the daily, as you can see, to the T, daily fair value gap respected. We are having bullish day today. Like on the lower time frames, still not much, how to say this, to be satisfied with the price action, right? Like, okay, we have rejection, fine. Daily fair value gap got respected, fine, right? We are pushing higher on H4, but overall, because if you look on the left side, we're seeing the bearish market, if that makes sense. So in this case, because look now the cross conference reference, not conference. So we are on H4 on gold, and we have this one there, and on the DXY we have this one there. Does it make sense? I hope it does. So even though we rejected daily fair value gap, usually takes 2 days, 3 days before turnover. So usually it can come to this level, fall down again, reject, respect, whatever, again, and then, what is today? It's Wednesday, so tomorrow, Friday can fly up. Friday is usually weekly reversal, isn't it? So in this case on gold, I'm definitely going to look for longs, but not yet. Okay, I'm not satisfied. Like I said, not yet. We had a break of structure to the downside. We rejected daily fair value gap. Fine. We have this one there as well in DXY, right? And we have 1 to 3 candles to the upside prior to sell-off. Then we're gonna look for 705. This is going to be around this level, yeah, 3,335. All the threes, the big boys. Okay, so this is H1 time frame. Okay, let me mark that up first. H1 time frame, like that. Okay, 15 minute. So this is going to be the area I'm going to look for possible shorts as well in 30 minutes, right? We have a supply area as well there. And we rejected the one above yesterday, so I was looking at that yesterday as well, but I didn't like how everything looks on this side to take a short. But anyway, so this is what I'm looking at today. I'm not necessarily going to have limit orders, maybe going to be manually manual entry, because at the end of the day I want to see if price is actually going to respect this area or no, and that's it. If not, you know, if the setup is not going to be presented, then we come back tomorrow and that's it. Keep it simple. And I think this is going to be my last week trading, and then I'm taking off for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, definitely vacay from trading and everything. Okay, guys, keep you updated. 1 second, one last thing. We have FOMC minus. This is not the actual FOMC, so you can trade it normally, okay? And tomorrow we have some more news for DXY, I mean US, which is going to bring more traffic. Yeah, so Thursday, Friday definitely not, because of Jackson Hole Symposium. Usually I'm off on this day. This happens once a year in August. But we're gonna see, yeah, how technicals are going to look. But anyway, Thursday definitely looks nice. I like news. Yeah, I like news. So we're gonna see what we happen today. Otherwise, we come back tomorrow and that's it. Bye bye.